Welcome back everyone. So how you can reset local user password? Okay, reset or set the password. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, so first of all, open the search bar and search here computer management. Okay, open the computer management. Now you can see the option here user and groups. Okay, local user and groups. Click on users, and now you can see there are lots of users. Okay, suppose that you have to set reset a password for guest user. Okay, whatever user you have, just right click on your user. Okay, and you can see the set password option here. Okay, so click on set password option here and proceed, and now you can set the new password. Okay, suppose that I'll set the password whatever you want to set, you can set and click OK. Okay, so I click the next because I don't want to set the password. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel.